Uh, on Ezebiko, on our watch, when they share this telecast, some more Prophet David Yahweh, the spiritual world. In 2022, I give a prophecy that they will close Mbaka church because he said Peter Obi is a stingy man. I know Peter Obi is from Anambra State and everybody was forbidden. And that is why Mbaka church was closed after the prophet 7 days and Ebuka obi come to limelight. This is what brought I and one that brought Ebuka obi to limelight. But I'm going to tell you all the Reverend Father what you're going to do to stop this mess. This guy in a course room. I'm going to tell you. Let me play this in video first. Now I'm going to phone again, man. No need of fighting anybody. All the Reverend Father should team together because all of you, like a Bemonso, Okunelele, all of you betrayed Mbaka. When you know that Mbaka is having problem with Ebuka obi, you people went to be supporting Ebuka obi now. What you people will do now is this. I don't know Lagos. We sponsor one Father Nebe Joy to have a adoration in Lagos in Ago. Then every last Saturday, Mbaka Becha, Ebuka obi abia, Ebuka obi Becha, Akunele Rifle, all those nonsense on Abari will end. This is the secret. Remember, I had one that destroy Zion Media Warrior team. People like J Park, Jens Agobola, where them, Governor Zoku them. Many of them that work with them, I destroy them. Only me stand and fought them and conquer them. What they did is to hack my pay. But today, because where is he? Jens Agobola. It's no longer working with you. Where is J Park? It's no longer working with you. Where is Governor Zoku? They are no longer working. This is many gangsters and the bloggers Ebuka obi brought both identity doctor in the ministry. Just to tell you, he's a criminal and he's a businessman, he's not a prophet. But what you people going to do now is to withdraw all your Roman Catholic members because Ebuka obi is not a brother, neither is a priest, neither is a Reverend Father. So for him to come out and start now recycle your members, so I go Ebuka obi try win. So go to Sambesa Forest, go to North, go to Gombe, go to Kano, go to Kaduna, go to Benue if you really want to win. So what you're doing is to recycle Roman Catholic members in name of Nina winning. So how many souls do you win? All the people that is there, how not there because in a go chaperate, how not there because in a go marry. Start on your own. Stand. Let us see how you stand as Obuna. Mbaka Bidime program Lagos now. In next 3-4 months, your church will be empty. If a Bemonso and a Mbaka and Okunelele, if they team together to have a press in Agoparas to come and be doing program here in America, let me tell you, I have your secret. You're nobody. Only one shot. Where is your Zion and the media team? Where is those your Zion media team? You're calling my governor Soludo. And Soludo, you have to be very careful how you associate with criminals. How you associate with losers, thieves, and everything. If not, so we're the one that put you in that seat. I am the spiritual world. I am the one that destroy all the forces in Anambra State. So we cannot welcome those criminals like Ebuka obi to come and be, hey, Ebuka obi should go and solve problem in Imo State. In Ngoba, Ebuka obi take people around. They are crying every day. You do like you don't, nobody hear about it. Ebuka obi paid people like J Park, Governor Zoku, Ijowa, Ezogo, many of them to blackmail me. Is it because I'm not coming out to cry? I can't cry because I'm a spiritual warrior. Forget all those Ebuka obi, blackmail, manipulation to Mbaka. Do you know how many blackmail me? Blackmail Father Nebe Joy, and blackmail Mbaka, you are a betrayer. A betrayer is a betrayer. So I'm here to give you a secret how you can withdraw all your members from him. You have to give your members, those your betrayal members, in a Zion, Ebuka obi is Zion. Ebuka obi is the Roman Catholic Church of Satan. It should remain there. And it's not a priest, it's not a brother. Now marry, make your friend, dollar their members. Organa Anambra State, make Monso friend, dollar their members. Organa Enugu, challenge Mbaka. So you are going to now collect your members. If you don't have wise, have wise. The only man that came out to challenge him is Father Nebe, but you people did not see it. Remember, I am what I brought Ebuka obi to limelight. 2020, do you know Ebuka obi? No. 2021, do you know him? No. I am the one that brought him to limelight. I'm telling you what you're going to do now. Withdraw your members for him, in church will be empty. If you are not married, will just end. Tell your members, You want to go to Zion? Don't come to my church again. Because you people are not worshiping the same God. If you people are worshiping the same God, let me tell you, God does not bring two prophets in a territory. I came from the Anambra State. I am one that destroyed Okite. Mbaka have fought many kingdoms in Enugu State. Ebuka obi, Biafrans are cleaning themselves in Imo. So what he did is to arrest Ijele. Have you called those Ijele and Gentle Yahoo and your governor, Hope Uzodinma, to settle them? If you went to with the governor, Hope Uzodinma, to take land in the Imo State, in about my governor, na calling Soludo. So what do you know how Soludo entered the governor of Anambra State? What's your contribution in Anambra State? What is your contribution? Go and settle your home. When Anambra State was all about witches and wizards on occulting, I am the one that God sent to destroy the power of Okite, to stand and fight the war. You want to come and report where I did not so. What is your contribution in Anambra State? After all the millions and billions they pack from Anambra State, all you build is psychiatric treatment. Go and build it to your father's house. Look at this. Come on the street. Let us perform.